Okay guys, as promised earlier, came to you on a 2020 Kia Soul. 6 hours later, we got the results on this vehicle. So look, if you haven't seen our first video, you want to look at that first video. Um, Check it out, see how the condition of this vehicle was. And again, it's finished now, and I'm gonna get ready to show it to you. I know it's gonna probably wow a lot of you, but keep in mind this is what we do. It's not easy, it takes time. Again, this just the interior only took like 6 hours. All right, so let's look at this Kia. And as you can see, we had a lot of gunk on this seat right here. Door jambs were filthy, so we got that taken care of. Carpets were steam clean, extracted, you name it, scrubbed, sanitized, deep clean. Center console was all grimy, so you can see. You know, all your vents, headliner, we go through everything to make it as new as possible. So again, 2020 Kia Soul came in for full ultimate detail. It was very, very dirty. Everything was really soiled, grimy. Seats were stained up. Carpets were really bad. And here you have it, the aftermath. All seats steam clean, extracted. Door jambs clean. Got up under the spare tire, headliner, you name it. Door handles, we go through everything like new. If you're not OCD, you can't be a detailer. That's the way I see it. You gotta have something about you that makes you want to get these cars like new. Fully detailed, fully detailed. As you can see, this is the aftermath on this 2020 Kia Soul that came in for ultimate interior detail. Alright, so whenever you need your car done, folks, come check us out, 3125 Gresham Lake Road. We're the very last unit to the end of that building. Come on all the way down to the very end. And the Suite 101, Shine and Style Imports and Custom Auto Detailing. If you're in the market for a used car, we got those too. Hit us up 984-200-2061. Thank you.